Behind every flight number, there's a story. For Air India, some of those stories are tragic chapters in aviation history. On June 12, 2025, Flight AI-171 crashed just after takeoff from Ahmedabad, striking a college hostel and killing 241 of 242 on board, along with at least 24 on the ground. In 2020, a flight landing in Kozhikode during heavy rain overshot the runway, taking 21 lives. Back in 2010, a Dubai-Mangalore flight crashed into a gorge, killing 158. The deadliest mid-air collision ever happened in 1996 near Charki Dadri, with 349 lives lost. And in 1985, a terrorist